Thanks for watching this video. Anyway, we just wanted to update you on the progress of our plants. And looking here is the collard green. They are really growing well. The rain has been good, but it hasn't been coming daily. But they are growing well enough. Turning around, but the onions are not growing. It's okay. It's slow, but suppose it can grow better. But it's good to see something green growing. As we move through the row here, and then moving on to tomatoes, they are growing well too. These are tomatoes. We transplanted like 2 weeks ago or so. Then we have some other tomatoes here and some red peppers. But anyway, thanks for watching the video. Have a wonderful day. Please keep bye-bye.